as an engagement drink. So we are looking for a Pandora either in SM Lipa, SM Santo Tomas, SM San Pag. Ang out na sa SM Lipa lang meron ng Pandora. So alam ko lang kasi Pandora sa SM Lipa, and yes, SM Lipa lang yung meron here sa Canton. And last time we went there, galing kami sa Pandora, and na-picturean ko ito out of nowhere. I just took a picture of this one, and I never knew na magagamit pala siya for an engagement. So you're blessed kasi picture ko siya out of nowhere, and magagamit namin siya for choosing a ring. And we're also blessed kasi sinabi na pala ni ate yung gusto niyang ring. So here is the ring that she wanted, and there is really a ring. So Kuya Ken is asking if how much yon, and we look up, pasok naman. I'm just waiting for the go signal of Kuya Ken kung nakapagpaalam na ba siya kasi we're planning. Our plan for that is the letter that has Will You Marry Me, but that is just an option. And the other one, I asked Kuya Ken to let ate have her finger. Ipa-color if ate wanted that. Kasi maganda siya, ate love to take pictures. Gusto nga ate yung, yung pinipicturean niya. Kaya I know na gusto niya maayos yung nails niya before malagyan ng sing-sing. And the other thing, I asked Kuya Ken called me and asked me, ano yung letter na sinasabi sa kanya na for proposal. And sabi ko, I don't know anything about the letter, but I suggest na mag-speech kay ate. I suggest na look into their experiences, look into their struggles as they are still in a relationship, and look into the things that the Lord made them strong. And I wish Kuya Ken would use that. And at the same time, I asked him to what flowers. So after the proposal, we will give her a flower. So December 31 na, and ako ay nag-suggest ako na lang bibili ng sing-sing sa Pandora sa SM Lipa since tinangali ng gising si Kuya Ken, and napapaalam pa siya. I actually don't know if I'm going to be on time, but let's pray for the success of this proposal. Today is December 31st, today mangyayari yung proposal. Later, Disney. So I'm praying na sana hindi magawa sa parents ko kasi may isa pa akong regalo hindi na bibili. And so this is the proposal day. I just got home here sa Batangas. I didn't take a chance to have video dun sa Pandora, but here it is. Yeah, still nothing here. This one is not perfectly like Ate wanted, pero the stone sa gitna is like what Ate wanted in her ring. So sabi ko, if ever yung magustuhan niya Ate are pwede silang mag-replace. Sabihin na lang nila you can fit yung ring, kasi pwede doon pag hindi fit yung ring, mag-change ng any ring they want if the size is not if the ring itself sa size kailangan na hindi available. So yun now, time check, it is 4:16 December 31st today, and nakinta ka lang kami. Maybe sila, I don't know, kasi 4 p.m. yung check. Here it was. There's food for the overnight.
masasabi? Ano masasabi? Tamas yan yung masasabi.
Saan?
Maganda ba? Masarap po ang pagkain.
Iba, ang sabi mo malaki. Kalayo ka pa.
Wala, ano masasabi nyo? Hey Russ, hey Russ. Say hello.
Mag-practice na po kayo. Ang una ko pong palaro ay alakasan ng bulong. Pag sumigaw, disqualified. Basta po bulong ha, pero malakas. Tapos ikaw lang. Ano ba sa? Pinainig ka. Eh na. Tatapos sa ito, hawak ko ni. Ay ba, may hawak ka sa. Sa ko yung hawak. Raise the head. Ready? Boma. Ready? Go. Pasiro. Ya, tumingin lang ako sa buong namin. Ready? Go. Wala. Kusip mo. Namumuro ko, kusip mo. Ready? Go. Ibigay sa kulit. Ready? Boma. Ready? Go. Ready? Hold. Last guy.
Sabi niya, bitaw daw.
Ini kaya sambok ninyo. Ang aming kasi, yan, ganito po. Ganito ba makakita ng tatlong kalaban ng ito? 1-0. Tama. Go! Aba! 1-1. Ready? Go! Ready ka, bumuhon ha? Tama! Go! 1, 7, 8.
Sorry. Sorry. Tita Mai, si Tita Mai. Tita Mai. Ayaw.
Simula day 1 hanggang ngayon. Napakadami ng mga nangyari. Mas lalo kong napatunayan na mahal talaga kita at tulong at biyaya ng Panginoon, hindi na ako magpapakahaba. Pwede mo ba akong samahan maglingkod sa Panginoon habang buhay?
Ay, luag.
Bilang maging kaaliwan ng Panginoon. At ano po, nais ko po sa kanila pagpulong ko na ako magkasama pa. Nais ko po ng buhay Panginoon. Sa kanila mga anak ko, sa kanila po na nasasakit at gusto yung ama, at maraming pang wedding anniversary pa. Sa kanila po na maraming salamat po sa pangalan ng Jesus.
Ang taas ng ipep. Hooray!